Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to clear print spooler and fix forever printing problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type services and hit enter. You can browse the service called print spooler and double click. By default is start to type in manual option. You can try start and you can try other option automatic and click on apply and click on OK. You can verify the service status is running and you can try other option restart in the text option. And you can test your printer sending paper testing of any impress for test, no? And or restart your computer to apply the change. Click on close and you can test impress any project, any PDF document, for example. To apply the change, go to the start button and select restart and wait a moment. Login. And you can open the services. Go to print spooler and you can verify status is running. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.